Something just dropped that changes how you can use Claude Code, and I don't think most people have caught onto it yet. There's a free open source project that lets you run Claude Code, the exact same tool, the exact same interface, without paying for every single message. Same brain you're used to on the outside, but you get to swap out what's actually powering it underneath. And the timing on this is wild, because in the last few days, a wave of new OpenAI models just landed that are good enough to go head to head with the best closed models on the planet. So today, I want to show you exactly what's going on, which models are worth your time right now, and how people are stacking this into full automated coding setups that basically work while they sleep. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, let's break down the tool itself first because you need to understand this before any of the news makes sense. Claude Code is Anthropic's coding agent. It plans out your project, it writes the code, it fixes your bugs, and it runs right inside your terminal or your editor. Big teams love it. But there's always been one catch, and it's the meter. Every message you send costs you money, so most people using it are being careful. A few tasks a day, and nobody's running it overnight, because who wants to wake up to a bill like that? This new project is basically a small helper you install on your own machine. Claude Code still runs exactly like it always does on the surface. Nothing about the way you actually work with it changes, but when it goes to make a call, this helper steps in and redirects that call somewhere else, somewhere that isn't charging you per message. That's really the whole idea. Same tool, same screen, different engine running underneath it, and here's the part that actually matters. This thing plugs into 6 different backends. Some of those are open models hosted elsewhere, and some of them run right on your own laptop with no internet connection needed at all. You choose what fits your workflow and your budget. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because this only matters if the models behind it are actually good. And right now, they are in a way that honestly wasn't true even a few months ago. A couple of days ago, Moonshot released Kimi K2, and it's one of the largest open weight models ever released. It has a massive context window, which basically means it can read through your entire project, top to bottom, and still remember what was on page 1 by the time it gets to the last page. On coding and agent benchmarks, it's sitting within a point or two of the best closed models out there, which is genuinely a first for an open model. Full open weights are landing by the end of this month. So this isn't a demo you can't actually get your hands on. It's coming to your machine. And it's not the only one. DeepSeek dropped V3, fully open under an MIT license, and it's near the top of the coding leaderboard on real-world software engineering tests. Alibaba's QuantCoder is the most used open coding model on OpenRouter right now, not by hype, by actual real usage, and it's got a huge context window built specifically for long-running tasks. NVIDIA put out their Nematron model, also with a massive context window, free to use and built specifically for agent-style work. Google's Gemma is small enough to run on a normal gaming laptop, and it's still genuinely useful for the everyday stuff. And you've also got GLM out of China, which is strong at coding and completely free to plug in. So think about what that actually means for a second. You've now got several genuinely frontier level open models and a free tool that lets any single one of them power your Claude Code setup whenever you want, however you want. Here's the part most people are sleeping on though. Claude Code doesn't send every task to the same tier internally. There's a top tier for the hard stuff, a middle tier for your everyday tasks, and a fast tier for the small, quick jobs. With this setup, you can actually assign a different model to each tier. So your hardest, deepest thinking tasks go to Kimi K2. Your regular day-to-day coding goes to DeepSeek, and your fast little jobs go to Gemma running locally on your own laptop. All of that, running through the one Claude Code window you already know how to use. You're not learning a new tool, you're just giving your existing tool a smarter, cheaper brain. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And this is the bit that genuinely surprised me. This same project has a Discord and a Telegram integration built in. So you're not tied to your desk anymore. You could be at the gym, you pull out your phone, you send a message saying, build me a landing page for this offer, make it feel simple and clean. You lock your phone, you carry on with your day, and 20 minutes later, you get a message back with the finished files. One model handled the structure, another one handled the copy, all routed through your own setup, all while you weren't even near a computer. It even takes voice notes. You literally speak the task out loud, it transcribes what you said, and the model gets straight to work. That's a coding agent sitting in your pocket, working while you're doing anything else. Now, look, I know some of you are thinking, if these are open models, are they actually as good as the paid ones? Fair question, and you should be asking it. Kimi K2 was independently ranked just behind the top closed models and ahead of some of them on real coding tests. DeepSeek V3 is near the top of the software engineering leaderboard. QuentThinkCoder is the most used coding model on OpenRouter by real usage. These aren't toy demos anymore, they're being used by real developers on real work every single day. And the second question, will the free access even stick around? Here's the thing that actually matters. These are open weight models. You're not renting access from one company that could change its pricing tomorrow and take your whole workflow with it. Kimi K2's full weights are landing by the end of the month. DeepSeek is already open under MIT. Gemma is downloadable right now, so even the local fully offline routes already work today, no internet required. When the tool is open and the models are open, you're not one policy change away from losing everything you built. You actually own the stack, and that's a completely different feeling than renting one. 6 months ago, running a coding agent all day, every day, without watching a bill climb behind you would have sounded completely unrealistic. Now, you've got open models sitting near the frontier, a free tool to route Claude code through them, and the ability to run the whole thing from your phone while you're doing literally anything else. That curve isn't slowing down, it's speeding up, and it's only going to keep moving faster from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.